So there's this issue of DNA around the internet, and I'll say something. If you're a man and you don't know that you got a woman pregnant, then you are not in a relationship with that lady. If you are a man, the first thing a man takes note of is his woman's menstrual cycle. When you know your woman's menstrual cycle, you'll be able to detect when you had unprotected sex. Secondly, I want to say something. When you have unprotected sex with somebody, you don't expect a flat screen or an iPhone, you expect a child. So that means that in the long run, the woman has a better chance of accusing you because you did not protect yourself. That means it's your child until proven otherwise. Then, thirdly, I'm going to say something. A lot of women don't even know who gets them pregnant too. So I'm going to do this video in favor of both sex. It's a very controversial video. Some girls don't even know their menstrual cycle. Like, they feel they follow you, they don't even know when they're safe or they're unsafe. And so they will always take this pregnancy, forgive who be vulnerable. Vulnerable in the sense, say, person it be it won't really be a daddy figure they'll give you. Only a woman can determine the paternity of a child, because a woman gets pregnant once and that's it. So if even they sleep with you every day, if not like a day way, either unsafe, if take the unsafe, they go get for a different person just for that day, that's the person's child. This topic is a very sensitive topic because a lot of girls today on topic table where they can broken. Plenty girls and they don't even know say na the man give them belle. That's the truth. Girls don't even know their menstrual cycle. They need to take time for count, calculate, and then when they meet some person, it throw them some love. And a woman pays attention to what she feels and not what she hears. So if you tell it, I don't want to be a daddy, I'm not ready. But if you feel like, say, if you be a better father, it will accept, say, me you deposit inside, and that's another problem. So you get to understand, say, some girl go to tell you, say, yes, come in, come, I'm safe. Only because, say, it won't trap you. Women have used kids to have marriages. Women have used kids to do endorsement. Women don't hit jackpot by just having a baby daddy where they provide, supply, and take care of them and the kid. So a lot of women, they use picking for trap. So when they don't even need to study their menstrual cycle, they don't know nothing. They don't know when be safe. They don't know when be also. They don't know say woman is discharged, the even shows say safe. They don't know say woman is physical, this shows say safe or unsafe. They don't know say they use calendar calculator. No, their own. Let's say they meet us somehow we get flat screen TV, fine bed, you get apartment, bam. They don't ready now that daddy that, Papa Junior that. They don't enter bombo, but they don't forget say the worst way if you do not forever trap man with pregnancy. Worse still, now when you're not even the person you own. Men, you have to be very vigilant. These days, it's become terrible. A lot of issues that only pop up on internet for who no get who you became. Yes, I go blame Munatu. I don't want a single mom. That's fine. That's your opinion. I don't want a woman who has had kids out of marriage. That's okay. But you might end up with a woman who has kids that are not for you. A hoodlum in your compound is a very bad thing. You have to take note that you can do this overdone, and then you end up with somebody's cum. The cum that turned to a pet is now going to be your child. You have to be very careful. If you want to avoid this issue, you have to be serious in your relationships. That's the solution to this problem. Because if you do if you're serious in a relationship, at least you know say your woman menstruate the kind of time. At least you know when you meet up with your woman. Boys, buy una calendars and reminders. Put for your phone. But I don't dirty for all. I don't see a lot of cases. I know a lot of girls who don't have pregnancy for different, but come to think of it, it served them right. To be tell you, we go get unprotected sex, no Peter Rabbit, no condom. I mean wrong, and then you expect anything hang on you know we don't you. Yes, they say that for scratch me jam. When water don't dirty for up, they say don't dirty. They say my the drown the whole snake for water. You only rich than rich. You are a bait. Now you fit in for the puzzle. So many girls do her. Then you only look at and they will discover I want a stroke on a partial stroke, sunrise and sunset. You shall be buried. So play safe, stay loyal, be with your wife or your girlfriend. Because when you're loyal to a woman, to an extent she wouldn't betray you. But if you do anyhow, you go see anyhow. Good.